In this video, I am going to show you how you can send bulk emails for free. And we are going to use a web app or a website to send this bulk email. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button, give it some like, right? Now, if you're a business, you would love to send your services, okay, to your clients or to your leads. You understand? So I'm going to show you how you can send these bulk emails, okay, to your leads or to your customers. All right, let's get into it. As I said earlier, this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe, give some like, and leave a comment at the comment section. Now, you can check this particular playlist, Cold Email Marketing. I have a lot of playlists concerning email marketing. Go and check it out. Right, good. Now, we are going to use this tool called Zoho Campaigns. Right, now, this tool can help you to send bulk emails for free. All right, so this is it. I'll leave the link at the description. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to this page. Right, now you can see get started with a forever free account. Right, so first of all, just enter your details over here. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use my Google to create this account. So I'm going to click on the Google icon over here and I'm going to select my Google account. I'm going to click on continue. All right, so you can see my name has been filled automatically from my account, my Google account, right? So I'm going to click on I agree and I'm going to click on create account. Hello, email geek. We are delighted to have you. All right, so still we need to finish the account creation process. So your role in your company, I'm going to click on that. I'm going for CEO. I'm the owner. Then I'm going to enter my number over here. I'm going to click next step. Then I'm going to enter the name of my company, my address, country, state, city, right? So the name of the company is SAS Media Studio. Then address, I will say. Then the state, I'll say Greater Accra. All right, so I fill in my company profile. I'm going to click next. All right, so it's asking us about the size of our contact list. See, I can choose about 100,000 because I have millions of emails, because I have tools that can help me to extract a lot of email leads. You understand? But because you are using a free account, I'm going to choose something mid. Okay, so 5,000 and 10,000 is cool. Then my company industry, I am going to choose IT and hardware, IT hardware and IT related services. And I'm going to click on next step. All right, so I'm going to click on skip and continue. All right, so now it says trial ends in 13 days. Now, after setting this up, I am going to talk about the free trial. Okay, so don't worry. So first of all, let's set things up over here. So first of all, we can create our contact list. We can import our contact list, our email list. Now, you can import your list from Zoho CRM, Zoho Begin, you can Zoho Recruit, Salesforce, Dynamics 365, and also Eventbrite. So let's say if you have your list of emails in those platforms, you can import it directly. Or better still, you can import CSV file, XLX file, and also your spreadsheet file as well. So if you have your list of leads inside spreadsheet, you can use that to import. You understand? Good. Then after that, you are going to create a campaign. Then automate user journey. You can automate your email campaigns. You can also invite in. So before we do any of these, we need to create a sender name and we have to verify our domain. So I am going to click on this icon, the settings icon over here. So I'm going to scroll down till I see deliverability. Okay. Then under this, I am going to click on manage senders. Now, as you can see we already have sender domain, which is Gmail. Okay, you cannot authenticate Gmail. So that means I cannot set the SPF record, which is very important for bulk email sending, right? And now, so we don't have to delete this, but we need to add a sender name. So I'm going to click on add sender. Then I have to enter my email address over here. So let's say I'm using smart so dark@smartvidpro.com. So I'm going to click on send verification. Now a verification code will be sent to this email. So I'm going to click on send, and let's see, it says DMARC policy is published for this domain. All right, so DMARC policy is published for this sender domain. So okay, got it. So as you can see, the domain has been added here. So I can just click on the domain. Then I have to set up things. Okay, so first I need to set up SPF record, and I have to set up DKIM records. All right, so how can I set this up? So I have to click on setup over here. Okay, the domain has already been verified in another account, yes, because I have other accounts that I used. Okay, but it's not a problem. So I'm going to go to that account so we continue from there. All right, so this is my original account, and you can see I have 8 days for the trial, right? And this is the domain. So when I click on it, you can see that setup, okay, records for safe email deliverability has been checked. All right, yes, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can validate. So I'm going to click on view, and these are the details they are going to give to you to verify your sender domain. You understand? So first of all, we are going to set SPF record and also DKIM record. So how can we set that? So we have to open our domain provider, okay, and visit the DNS management section. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Hostinger's DNS management section. All right, so this is the DNS management section, right? So let's go back to, so now we need to copy this record. So I'm going to click on copy in front of it, back to the domain provider. All right, make sure you are using your domain. So you can see this is the domain, okay, the domain that I've added, right? Now I have to click on this type over here, scroll down and select TXT. Now leave this default and come and paste it at the TXT value section. After that, leave everything default and click on add record. And that is it. Now go back to Zoho, okay? Then you go to the next one, which is the DKIM record. So first of all, just copy this name. So you hit the full stop before your domain. Copy that. Go back to your domain provider, click the type again, scroll to TXT, but this time you are going to paste what you have copied at the name section. Go back to Zoho, then copy the TXT record, okay? Copy this record, then back to your domain provider and paste it at the TXT value section. Then click on add record. And this is how you can add this record in order to be able to validate your sender domain. Then after you are done, you can just verify, okay? So for instance, let's go back to the new one we created. So let's say we want to add a sender name, and let's say we have all right, so let's say we have added a different domain. So this is smartvidga.com. So now we need to set this thing up. We just have to click on setup. So after entering the data, okay, after going through the process I just walked you through, you just have to click on verify domain. All right, so if it works fine, then that means you have been able to add it correctly. But if you get error, the first thing you need to do is that give it some time, like 48 hours. because this is DNS propagation and it takes up to 48 hours for the DNS propagation to take place. But mostly within 30 minutes, you should get it done. But within 30 minutes and it's not done, give it 2 days, 48 hours, right? And come and click on verify domain once again, and you should get it verified. Now, know that you will have to verify your email, okay? So you have to quickly go to your email, okay? And you are going to see verify your email address. Make sure you verify your email, all right? Now, let's go back and send our first email. All right. So since you have added our sender name, let's go and send our first campaign. So all we have to do is first we need to add our email list. So I'm going to click on contact, and I'm going to click on all contacts. So now you can see I already have contact created with some random email address, including my email, right? So I'm going to click on add new contact, and I'm going to click on add multiple contact, or better so I can import contact list. So I'm going to click on import. All right, I'm going to select the file. Just click on select file, and I'm going to click here. All right, I'm going to look for the list of emails, but remember it should be in a CSV format. Okay, so you just have to select CSV and you click on open, and that is how you can upload contacts. Okay, you just have to click on upload file, and that is it. So since I already have some contact list inside or list of leads, I can then send. All right, so that is it. So we are good to go. Since you have added your list of leads or your emails, let's go and create a campaign. So I'm going to click on campaigns, and I'm going to click on email campaigns. Email campaigns. All right, so I already have one over here, but I'm going to click on create campaign to create a new campaign. Then we have a lot of email campaign here. I mean samples that you can use. We have the regular email, we have the A/B testing, we have the RSS, we have the Zoho meeting, we have a lot of, we have form, we have e-commerce. You can go with them. But I'm going for a regular email, so I'm going to click on create new, and I'm going to give a name to my campaign, and I'm going to make it second. So just to say this is a second campaign. So you can just write something meaningful like marketing campaign, you understand? Yes, something like that. Then click on save and proceed. All right, so I'm going to add a subject to my email, okay? So those who want to learn how to create email copy, I'll be creating a video on that, how to write email copy with AI tools. All right, I'm going to use ChatGPT for this, okay, and I'm going to be quick as possible. So I'm going to ChatGPT now to ask ChatGPT to write a marketing campaign for me for social media boosting services. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to say write an email copy for my social media boosting services. Okay, so let's go. Sure, and this is it. So boost your social media presence and let's go. So I'm going to copy the subject line here back to the campaign. I'm going to click on add subject. So this, I'm going to paste the subject over here. Then I can ask it to write me a pre-header. Okay, so let's say write a pre-header. Sure. So this is a pre-header, so I'm going to copy this back here, and I'm going to paste it over here. Then I'm going to click on save. All right, so now we are done. So the next thing is to add our sender name or our sender. So I'm going to click on add sender details, which is our sender domain that we added. So you can see this is a free email, so you have to click on it and select what we have verified. So this is support@smartbitpro.com, and I'm going to write SaaS Media over here, SaaS Media Studio over here, so that when I send the email, the person will see this email is from SaaS Media Studio. Good. So now we can enable reply, okay, automatic reply tracking. If you enable reply tracking, we will generate a dedicated reply to address for your account. So you can efficiently track their replies. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. You can track your replies as well. So reply to single address. You can use a different email to reply to their emails, but I'll prefer you use the same email you use to send your emails. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to click on save. All right, so now we need to add recipients. I'm going to click on add recipients. Then I'm going to click on lists, and we already have contact that we created with two email lists. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. All right, so now scroll down, we are going to create content. So I'm going to click on create content, and we have pre-designed template and we have the basic template. Right, let's go to the pre-designed template and check out their template. So we have the welcome template, we have the holidays template, we have the seasons template, we have the deals and offer template, we have the thank you template. So let's say if it is holiday, you can choose any of this. I'm just going to choose welcome. So I'm going to use this template. So click on select template. All right, so this is a template, and I'm going to show you how you can tweak this template. Now, before I continue, those who want to send bulk emails from their computer, I have a software that can do that for you. Those who want SMTP that can send a lot of emails, I have those SMTP for you. If you want to send 10K emails, 20K emails, 50K emails, 100K emails, 1 million emails, I have SMTP that can handle any kind of emails. All right, so now if you want to learn how to create your own SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy. Make sure you go and check it out. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Now let's proceed. So first we can just tweak this welcome. So it says welcome to Zelka, but in our case we want to change it to our name. So you just have to select it. Then we are going to write our company name. So you can say SAS Media Studio. We are good. We can also change the font color to something like white. So you select it, you come to the A over here, then you can change it to white. So you can see welcome is white now. All right, so we can add, you can just click any place. Now we can add more to it. We can add button to it. So let's say if you want to add a button, so you can just click on that and select any of this. I prefer this, and this is it. Okay, this is it. We can just drag it up, all right, in the middle here. All right, then you can just edit the text. You can say visit our website. All right, and you can see visit our website. You can add the link of our website at this section, then click on done. If you want me to create a special video on how you can create a newsletter using the Zoho platform, leave it at the comment section. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to do something very quick. All right, so I'm going to click here, then I'm going to just choose email, and I'm just going to write my email over there. All right, then I'm going to click on done, and yes, so that is it back. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to edit it completely. Then after you are done, you can preview and test, right? Or better, so you can click on proceed if you are okay with the design and everything. So but the best practice is always preview and test your content before sending. Because I'm using this for test purpose, I'm not going to test the design. So cheers, your campaign has been approved. So now send immediately, or you can send later. All right, or you can also send in batches. So if you have like millions of emails, or you have a lot of emails, but you want to send it in batches, you can segment that here. So the batches, you can maybe say, okay, I have like 100K emails, so I want to send it in 5 batches. That means I want to send it 20K emails. So I'm just going to click on 5 badges, and how many minutes do you want. So every so it is sent in 30 minutes. So when 20k emails sent, after 30 minutes it is going to send another 20k emails, right? And that is all. So I'm going to click on the send now, okay, here. So I'm going to click on send to see if I'm going to receive that email. Do you want to send your email campaign, your campaign? Do you want to send your campaign now? I'm going to click on send. All right. So after that, I'm going to check if this is going to land in my inbox or it is going to land in my spam box. Let's wait. So as you can see, we have started sending your email campaign. Stay up to date with the real-time report by installing the Zoho Campaigns app on a mobile device. Then I'm not going to do that. If you want me to show you how you can install the app on a mobile phone, how to connect it to your account, and how to check app stuff on your mobile app, then leave it at the comment section. I'll create a special video for that. But I'm going to click on view details, or better, so I can just click on view report to see how far the email is doing, right? So you can say sent and delivered. All right, so you have two sent, we have two delivered. So I'm going to the delivered, or let me go to the sent section, and it says yes, it has been sent to these contacts. All right, none has been opened, two has been unopened. Okay, we don't have clicks, we don't have any subscribe unsubscribes, we don't have any marked spam over there. So that means they are all in the inbox. So you've gotten a notification over here and it says your campaign has been sent successfully. Very quick. So I'm going to check my email to see if I have received this campaign. All right, so as you can see, the very first you can see over here is Zoho campaigns. Campaign marketing has been successfully sent. So because I use this account in creating the Zoho platform, they are giving me a report of the emails that I sent, and that is so amazing. So now let's go and check if I have received this. All right, so it is not at the primary section. So let's go to the promotion section, and boom, look at it, SaaS Media Studio. Boost your social media presence. So when I just click on it, you can see this is your boost your social media presence. That's my subject, and this is my sender name, SaaS Media Studio. All right, and this is what we edited. You remember I changed this to white. So welcome to SaaS Media Studio, and this is how you can send bulk emails for free. Now let's go back to Soha and let's check out their plan. All right, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use a different tab to visit the website plan as well. Okay, all right, so this is the website. So I'm just going to click on the pricing. All right, so you can see we have 14-day free trial, no credit card required, right? So I'm going to scroll down. Then this is the forever free. So with the forever free, you are going to pay $0, and you can send up to 2k contact, 6,000 emails per day. You can create 2k or 2,000 contact for free, and you can send 6,000 emails for free within a month. And you can add 5 users. You can create sign up forms, limited ready to use email template, and compliance service. You understand? With a popular plan, you can send unlimited emails. So that means you can send like 1 million of emails, but it will be based on their contact list. So now this is the price for 500 contacts. So if you want to send like 1 million emails, you have to first send 500 emails, 500 emails, 500 emails till you send 1 million emails. You understand? But if you want to send it in bulk, like 20k, like let's say 100, let's say 300,000 emails. Okay, let's say 300,000 emails at once. So you are going to pay $543 dollars. Okay, so yes, if you want to like send, let's say 10k, so let's say you want to send 10k emails at once. Okay, you are going to pay $25, and you are going to send unlimited emails. So they can say that means you can send 10K emails, 10K emails, 10K emails. So you can like send it in batches. Okay, so 10K emails, and after 10 minutes it should send another 10K emails. After another 10 minutes you send another 10K emails. So that's it, and you can use 10 users for that. All right, so basically that means you can tweak your senders. Okay, you can use different senders, okay, like 10 different senders, and that is very cool. So this is how you can send bulk emails using the Zoho campaigns, and this is very cool. Those who want to learn how to create SMTP server on their own, I have a course on Udemy. Go and check it out. Now, if you want SMTP to send your bulk emails, I have a lot of SMTPs here that can send like 10K emails. That's the limit. Some can send 50K emails, some can send 100K emails, some can send even 1 million emails. All right. Those who want email senders that can be installed on their computer, I have a lot of tools over here. If you want to extract unlimited emails or leads or business emails, I have tools that can do that perfectly for you. Now, if you want to validate your emails too, I've already created a video on how to validate emails for free. Go and check it out. But you can only validate like 5 emails. But if you want to validate like more than 10K emails, 100K emails, then I have a tool that you can purchase. Okay, now when you purchase this tool, you will need an RDP that has port 25 open by default, and I can provide that as well. So just send me a message. Check the description. You're going to see my email. You're going to see my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp link. You're going to see my Instagram link. You're going to see my Facebook link. Just get in touch. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me some like, and also leave your comment at the comment section. Bye bye.